Welcome back to our CARB loading video series. In the last video, we discussed the consequences of failing to comply with CARB's Clean Truck Check Act. In this video, we'll buckle down on the topic of Roadside Emissions Monitoring Devices, also known as REMDs. Let's explore their objective and how they help CARB identify high-emitting vehicles. REMDs are used to detect possible high-emitting vehicles on the road. They are often used alongside enforcement staff who are conducting roadside inspections. This is being done to verify compliance with the CARB Clean Truck Check requirements. If your vehicle is flagged by an REMD, CARB takes note and you will be issued a notice to submit testing. This notice informs you that your vehicle is required to undergo an emissions test. Should you receive a request to submit notice, don't panic. It's simply an opportunity for CARB to ensure you take the necessary steps to keep your vehicle compliant. So what should you do if you receive a notice? Well, owners of identified vehicles will have 30 days to submit a passing emissions test to CARB. Be sure to view their website for direct steps on how to submit. Keep in mind, failure to submit a passing test may result in an enforcement violation. As a reminder, from our previous video, if your vehicle doesn't pass emission inspections, or if you forget to submit, you may be subject to thousands of dollars in fines and penalties. This is why compliance tools such as Norgon's Truck Checkup are so beneficial. We work closely with CARB to ensure our application makes it easy for organizations to submit required inspection tests for all fleet vehicles. For more information on Truck Checkup, visit us at norgon.com. Thanks for tuning in to our CARB loading video series. We'll see you in the next one to discuss periodic heavy-duty inspection maintenance compliance testing.